Hello and welcome to numeracy class once again. Now in this video lesson we are actually going to use the lattice method to multiply 267 by 74. In the previous one we just started by constructing its lattice and sizing it to fit it. Do you remember how we drew the lattice, the number of columns we got and the number of rows we got? Let's look at it. Yes, because the multiplicand is 3, we had 3 different columns. Then because the multiplier is actually 2, we had 2 rows. First row, second row. Now the most significant number in the multiplicand was placed at the left and then it follows in that order to the right. When you come to the multiplier, the number with the highest place value or the most significant number was placed on top and then the number which follows will come down. Now is the time for us to start. Of course, we did our bisecting of the cells by drawing diagonal lines from top right corner to down left corner. We want to start by multiplying the multiplier by the multiplicand. So 7 will multiply 2, and then 7 will also multiply 6, and then 7 will multiply the 7. Then the down here to 4 will multiply 2, and 4 will multiply 6, and 4 will multiply 7. So when 7 multiplies 2, we are going to have 14. This is the space for that number. And then when 7 multiplies 6, we are going to have 42. And this is the space for that. When 7 multiplies 7, we get 49. And this is the space. After which we come down to this one and fill this part too. So let's start. How is it going to look like? Yes, 7 times 2 is 14. The number in tens is placed on top. And the number in ones is placed down. Just like this one, we have 7 times 6 giving us 42, the 4 here, the 2 here. And then 7 times 7, the 4 here, the 9 here. Now let's go to 4 times 2, 4 times 6, 4 times 7. How is it going to look like? Now 4 times 2 is 8, so this is the space for it. 4 times 6 is 24, this is the space for that. And then 4 times 7 is 28, this is the space. Let's see how this one too will look like. So we have 8 being placed down here, and because there is no digit for the tens, we put 0 there. Now 24, 2 for the tens and 4 for the ones. And then 28, 2 for the tens and 8 for the ones. Finally, we are about to write our answer. Just as we have been doing, you draw out all the numbers that have been written in these cells down to get your 19,758. So, as usual, the space here is for the 8 alone. And then when you come here, they are lining up together. So you add all of them together. When you come here, you add all these two together. And then when you come here, you add all these together. And then you draw the one out. Now we have 8 being brought down. We are going to the next one. 4 plus 2 plus 9 is 15. But as you know already, the 5 must be written and then the 1 should be carried forward. So you have our 5 here and 1 being carried forward. When the 1 comes, it will be placed here. And then it will be added to the 4 to get 5. And then the 5 be added to the 2 to get what? 7. And then 7 plus 2 gives you what? 9. And then 9 plus 8 gives you 17. So let's see how that one too is going to look like. Remember that the 17, all the 17 will not be written here. We will write only 7 and carry the 1 forward. So we have 7 here and then the 1 is going top. So when 1 comes here, it will be added to 4 to get 5. And then the 5 plus 4 gives you 9. And then 9 plus 0 is what? 9. So let's see how this one too will look like. Yes, the 9 has come. Finally, 1 is the only number in this space, so we bring it out. Now, as you know, we are reading our number from top to the down. And then from left to right. So look at it. All the way from 19758. Never should you read from the back here going to the top. It does not work that way. So what we mean is that if you multiply 267 by 74, your answer is 19,758 using the lattice method. At the moment, you want to take an exercise from this same video lesson. Now, you have 555 times 65. Pause and do it. When you finish, resume the video and then check what you have done, if it is in line with what you see, like this. Okay, if it is like this, then it means you are right. Thanks for watching.